Hey everybody, welcome back. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? I'm back again with a new video. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this pack of eyelashes. Let me show you. So this is how it looks like. So it just arrived today and I really wanted to try it out. If you guys know me, I love eyelashes. I have not been using them since like few months just because I've got some kind of eye infection. That's why I stopped using them. And also I had like really bad glue with me. I bought like pack eyelash glue which costed about like 400 or 450, and that is a shit product. It doesn't work at all. So you know, my eyelashes wouldn't stick. So that's the reason I couldn't use eyelashes, because I don't have a proper glue. So you know, then I also stopped like, you know, doing eyelashes because I've been getting some infections. And when I saw this eyelash, I mean Kritika Kurana on Instagram, she reviewed this and she said that it is really good quality eyelash and they definitely work. It's like an eyeliner. I mean, like, it comes with eyeliner, so you know, we need to apply the eyeliner and then it sticks on. And I've also seen good reviews on Amazon about this, so I was like, why not try one more pair of eyelashes. This is the last pack of eyelashes I'm buying in this life, I guess, because if it doesn't work, I'm not gonna try any more eyelashes, because you know, I don't know what to say, and you know, I don't know what kind of glue to invest in, because you know, nothing works on my eyes. I don't know what's the problem, but anyways, I'm gonna try this on. So when it arrived, I couldn't control myself. I really wanted to open, but just for the video I haven't, because I really wanted to do unboxing on the camera with you guys. So let me show you. Okay, so this is the brand. If you can see, I'll have the links in the description box down below in case if you want to buy. So let's see, you guys, if it works or not. So they said it would come with like eyeliner and some, you know, applicator. Let me see if they have sent it or not. Oh yeah, that's true. It comes with eyeliner, applicator. Yeah, this all looks like. So I'm gonna try it on camera, you guys, so you can see. And you know, I really wanna like review these kind of products to, you know, give you guidance about like if you should buy it or not, because it actually costs 1000 rupees. So you know, you shouldn't be spending your money on something which doesn't work. So I'm gonna do this video so I can help you out, you guys. And you know, it's not refundable, so if it doesn't work, I wasted my money. So yeah, and then let me take out the eyeliner. And I'm gonna, it doesn't look like an eyeliner. I mean, it's like a black eyelash glue, I guess. I hope I don't get the infection. You know, when I apply eyelash glue, I get infection on my eyes and my eyes become really swelled. So I really hope that doesn't happen this time. So we'll hope for the good. I'm gonna get my mirror and let me apply this thing on. I'm kind of a bit scared because I don't really want to be disappointed. Okay. It looks like eyeliner, you guys. I'm having like a burning sensation, maybe because I have applied too much product on. Alright, I'm done applying eyeliner. Okay, now it's time for my eyelashes. Which one should I apply? I'm liking the first one, you guys. I'm gonna go with the first one because it's actually really humongous lashes. I really like big eyelashes so much. I hope you can see it. I can feel it's a bit secure, you guys. Oh my god, it looks so nice. I love putting on eyelashes, my favorite thing. And if it doesn't work this time, I'm never gonna use eyelashes ever again, because I spent a lot of money on eyelashes and glues and stuff like that. And yeah. Oh, the eyeliner is a bit sticky, you guys. So okay, I'm gonna do the other eye really quick. Okay. On, I hope you can see it. To be honest, they look so secure, you guys. Okay, and I can feel the little tightness. I mean, it feels really secure, especially on this eye. Oh my god, I think they really work. You know, I'm gonna buy more packs of these eyelashes. Not now, I mean later. So guys, they look so secure in my opinion. So I'm also going to be showing you how I take them off. So anyways, this eye looks like, I look so girly, guys. I'm loving these eyelashes. Let me just look into the mirror. This is pretty tight and secure. This is a bit like, it feels like it might just come off if I try to pull them out. But anyways, they are pretty secure and I'm loving these eyelashes, you guys. And I think this is worth the price. I'm not sure about other eyelashes, but the first one definitely works. I'm loving this eyelash. And yeah, on this side I applied like only one coat, but it was pretty thick. This side I applied a little less than this one, so this is not so secure, but still it's not coming off completely. It is still there. So anyways, these are like really good eyelashes. I think I'll give these eyelashes 9 out of 10 because they actually work. They're nice, good quality. And let me see, let me tell you how many pairs are there in it. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 eyelashes. You get 10 eyelashes for 1,000 rupees, and I think it really worth, because it's working, you guys. It comes with the glue, with the applicator. That's it, you guys. I'm loving these eyelashes. Okay, this is coming off, as you can see. It's because I applied less eyeliner on this side, to be really honest, you guys. I'm not faking. I applied very less eyeliner onto this. They are really strong. Let me just, you know, try to pull them off. Okay, it doesn't come. It's paining me. It doesn't come. It's pretty secure, you guys. Even on this one, this is tight. Okay, this is tight. It's not coming off. And this side, I did not apply the glue properly, the eyeliner. That's why it's coming off. Otherwise, they're really nice quality eyeliner, and I'm so thankful to Kritika Kurana. Because of her, I found this eyelashes. She's the one who reviewed it first on Instagram. They were pretty reasonable, so I was like, why not give it a try? This would be my last try. If it doesn't work, I would stop, you know, using eyelashes. I mean, I would never buy any more eyelashes because they don't work for me. But since this worked for me, I'm gonna have it more. I'm gonna buy this again, not now, maybe after a few months, let's see. But I'm loving these eyelashes. So now, since I'm done with making this video, I'll show you how I take them off, because I've been told that I need to remove this eyelash with like a makeup remover only. So yeah, let me get the makeup remover. So guys, I've got my makeup remover right here. I'm using this one today. I'm gonna rub it over this. It is still not coming off, you guys. It is actually really secured. Oh my gosh, it's getting into my eyes. Alright, it has come. Oh my gosh, the makeup remover entered in my eye. Oh, it's burning, you guys. Let me quickly do this and I'll wash my face and come. Oh my god, it's pretty secure. My eyes are burning, you guys. Let me just quickly splash some water on my face and come. I did my makeup in the morning at like 5:30 and it is still okayish. My eyeliner is all gone. It's kind of like a magnetic thing. Let me show you. Well, I'll try to make you hear the noise. Okay, when you take them off, okay, this thing is kind of like a magnetic thing, so it makes like it sticks automatically. Let me show you. You see that? So yeah, this is a really good product, you guys. So anyways, that is it for this video. Yeah, I don't look so presentable today. I look so tired. Anyways, I'll come up with another video really soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next time. Bye.